Dakajing tmu ban kenjoy ka thong hagabaya day but ki scheme ba pher halor ka bha kamyat jaga sarkar pedeng ka urban campaign jongka VIKASIT Bharat SANKALP YATRA kala longha TURA hakini ka sngi ki doya shimbanta kile shimru ye ka jingbam smai halor ka VIKASIT Bharat SANKALP YATRA hapo kani ka jingalam ka kali kerpang IEC van kala poi hatura ban pen sapriang jingtip sheki pajba halor ki sinjam penroi ba pher bala shim daga sarkar India na ka benta ka jala
Even after decades of independence, Meghalaya's poor could only dream of the
The journey is called VIKASIT SANKALP YATRA for everybody, for the developed nation. Now in this van you would see a lot of films being displayed, a lot of Prime Minister schemes that are available that you can avail. We will have in all the districts of Garo Hills. Our motive is to just reach all the people and make sure that every citizens of this district gets all the availabilities and all the rights that they have properly to them. It is because it is for the people and for the nation, and so that we would be developed.
Haringkat ka jingas nok tilang berkari